Hello, my friends. Welcome back to all of us. Come on in and say hello. We are ready to go on this beautiful, really warm Tuesday night. Hi, Deneen. Thanks for coming in. Put it over here on my laptop by the side. Oh, looks like people are starting to find us. Here we go. All right. Yay! Hi, Diane. Oh, I missed you guys. Oh, thanks, Diane. Oh my gosh, it was the best. But let me tell you, this jet lag is killing me. Whew. That's the biggest time difference I've ever dealt with. So that whole 8-hour thing is just, ooh, baby. Hi, Millie. Welcome, welcome. But it is good to be home. Actually, it was very sad for Mike because we got home late Sunday night and he had to leave Monday on travel. So, but fortunately, it's a short trip. So he will be back soon. All right, let's see. Before we get started, I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that are coming up. One, I don't know if you have seen this yet. It's under the events tab on the suitably stamped page. The For the Love of Felt kit, which is beautiful. Let me pull it in here for you. It actually comes, oops, I got something on the box. Actually comes in this beautiful box. Isn't that cute? Hey, Deb, welcome. In this beautiful box, and when you open it up, it comes with instructions for all the cards, and there are 12 cards and then 12 envelopes that all go in this beautiful box. Look at I love even the inside of the box. Isn't that cute? So that is the box. Here are the envelopes, which are really pretty. Look at those. This really pretty flat. Love that. And then the 12 cards. So let me show you one of each. 1, 2, 3. So there's 4 each of 3 different cards. This one says, "Let's celebrate." So very thankful. Hey, Michelle, come on in. Thanks for joining us. And this one says, "You make an ordinary day special." And they have these gorgeous little felt embellishments that you can use on them, and then your sequins, and then it comes with some punched out pieces, and then we use the For the Love of Felt stamp set. Now this is a class. I'm going to be doing this class actually live here at my house